Guys, we're gonna play Island Triumphs. This is where we like to not, so you might hear out. The audio might be good, but we will be back, okay? I'm bored. Island Tribes, and I'm actually trying to edit learning. Do you see? I actually recorded 2 times. So let's see me. There's chicken. Unbelievable. There are chickens. Can that actually do damage? Oh my god, that's doing damage. Oh my god. Stop! I don't want to get punched. Look. Okay, I'm dead. I'm done. But I was just trying out this game. If you want me to play, I'm just doing a very little clip. So, would you like me to do this? Tell me if you would like to. So if you did, subscribe, like this video, and make me give you the face review. Okay, so this does not count as a video. I just wanted to see if you want to play. If we get like 2 more subscribers, I might play this. So bye.